In the newest brief for the Center for Strategic and International Studies, Seth G. Jones writes that Russia has failed to achieve most of its objectives in Ukraine because of poor military planning, significant logistical problems, low combat readiness, and other deficiencies, which undermined Russian military effectiveness. These and other challenges, including Ukrainian military efforts and Western aid, severely impacted Russian air, ground, cyber, and maritime operations. Russia's failures will force the Russian military to fundamentally rethink its training practices, organizational structure, culture, logistics, recruitment and retention policies, and planning efforts. Nevertheless, Russia is still attempting a de facto annexation of parts of eastern and southern Ukraine that it controls. Now, when the Ukrainian army is fighting for the control of Severodonetsk, their forces continue to inflict heavy casualties to the Russian invaders all across the country. This are Ukrainian special forces striking a Russian BMP-2 with an RPG. This video is from Ukraine's 24th Mechanized Brigade, showing a drone dropping ammunition on Russian troops. Now a Ukrainian Stugna PATGM strike on Russian troops.
Ебать, нема никого.
Video of a Russian BMP on fire in Kherson Oblast, posted by Ukraine's 59th Motorized Brigade. Ukrainian Mi-8 helicopters flying low attempting to evade Russian air defenses. And this is actually Russian video, but it's really spectacular. This are Russian Tu-1A thermobaric MLRS firing at targets at close range. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.